The consistency from 10 feet away is really, really good. What I'll also show you is the G18C or the Glock 18C's automatic function. And if you see, there's a pedal that if you press up, it is semi-automatic, which means one burst, as you see. But then if you press down, it is automatic. So we'll use the automatic function on the same target that we did moments ago. As you see, we've hit a huge, at least one or two might have strayed outside the given target zone, with the majority hit around this area. So my grouping is the size of a palm. The majority. There's one or two that strayed on the top ring, on the outer ring, and there's one or two that went past the target. I've been Yacht, and this is IMS's guide to airsoft. Thank you, and peace.